Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use a referral code on Shein. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, first thing that we have to do here is we first have to go to Shein.com and log in into our account. Now, once you've logged in into your account, go ahead and add your items into your cart because you'll only be able to use referral codes via the checkout on Shein. So go ahead and go to whatever category that you want to go to. So we have women clothing, kids, man fashion, and such. So go ahead and choose your items. And once you've added your items at the top right, you'll see the cart icon at the top right. So just click on that one. Now from here, we want to proceed on checkout. Select all the items that you want to check out and just click on the checkout button. Now from here, what you need to do is you need to enter your referral code in the coupon code section here and just click on apply to apply that code. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.